Araw po muli mga kaibigan, kaguro at kaempleyado. Pag-usapan natin ngayon yung kasong physical injuries. Mayroon po tayong tatlong klase ng physical injuries. Ito yung serious physical injury, less serious physical injury, and slight physical injury. Alamin natin ang tatlong ito sa video na ito. Ano nga ba ang tinatawag na serious physical injury? Any person who won't beat, assault another. Kung sino man ang namalo, nagsugat, o kaya inatake ang isang tao, shall be guilty of the serious physical injury if the following are the result. Una, when the injured person becomes insane. Kung ang biktima ay nabaliw or become imbecile, o kaya ang biktima ay nag-isip bata, become impotent, yung biktima hindi na nakatayo, si Manoy, or become blind, nabulag ang biktima as a result of the physical injury inflicted to him or to her by the perpetrator. The penalty for this is 6 months and 1 day to 12 years. This is punishable by prison mayor, 6 months and 1 day to 12 years. Ano pa ang masasabi natin na serious physical injury? When the injured person loses the use of his speech as a result of the physical injury, hindi na nakapagsalita ang biktima. That is considered as a serious physical injury. Or he loses the power to hear, hindi na siya nakarinig because of the wounds inflicted or because of the injury suffered by the victim. He also loses the power to smell. He also loses his eye, one of his or her eyes. Or he lost his or her hand, yung kanyang braso. As a result, nawala o naputol yung kanyang paa, yung kanyang talampakan, yung kanyang mga binti. Or as a result of the physical injury, o hindi na niya nagamit yung kanyang kamay, yung kanyang paa as a result of the injury inflicted. Sa ganitong mga kaso, the perpetrator or the accused will suffer for 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. So, as a result of physical injury, when the injured person becomes deformed or loses any member of his body or lose the use thereof. So, as a result of the physical injury, yung kanyang bahagi ng katawan ay na-deform, nawala sa ayos, o kaya hindi na nag-function yung kanyang parte ng katawan, nawala sa enumeration natin kanina, at hindi siya nakapagtrabaho sa loob ng 90 days. Ano pa ang mga sitwasyon na maaari natin makonsider na serious physical injury? When a person or the injured person becomes ill or incapacitated for labor for more than 30 days as a result of physical injury. Yung tao, yung biktima ay hindi nakapagtrabaho ng mahigit na 1 month or 30 days. So yan po yung mga sitwasyon na yan, makukonsider natin na serious physical injury. Ano naman ang tinatawag na least serious physical injuries? Was incapacitated for labor for 10 days but not more than 30 days. Yung biktima, as a result of physical injury, hindi siya nakapagtrabaho ng 10 days, 10 araw, ngunit hindi lalampas sa 30 araw. Ang penalty dito, ang kaparusahan ay 1 month to 6 months imprisonment, arresto mayor. Ano naman yung tinatawag na slight physical injury? In a slight physical injury, when the offended person or the victim is incapacitated for labor from 1 to 9 days or required a medical attendance during the said period. Kung hindi nakapagtrabaho ang biktima ng 1 day to 9 days, ang maaring isang panakaso ay slight physical injury. So in summary, masasabi natin na serious physical injury kung ang victim ay hindi nakapagtrabaho o kaya na ospital ng mahigit na 1 buwan, 30 days. Least serious physical injury kung ang biktima ay na ospital o hindi nakapagtrabaho mula 10 days hanggang 30 days. Hindi lalampas sa 30 days. 10 days to 30 days. Sa slight physical injury, kung ang biktima ay hindi nakapagtrabaho ng 1 day to 9 days. So yun po mga kaguro, kaibigan at kaempleyado. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po.